Fellow Biafrans, ladies and gentlemen, without taking much of your time, I want to inform you that it is done. Finally, Biafra have been restored. Irrespective of whatever any man, any woman may be saying, it's not something to be listened to because Biafra has finally been restored, signed and sealed by powerful men on earth who believes in self-determination and self-defense. Without further delay, I want to inform you that there is a great joy on the mind of every useful-minded Biafran for the restoration of Biafra sovereign nation. As I'm talking with you now, it has been concluded that Biafra is a nation and coming forth any moment from now, with no power from Nigeria and no power from anywhere that can stop it, because world leaders and world powers have completely accepted the letters of the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic in exile for the recognition of Biafra sovereign nation. Any moment from now, you will begin to see and notice the processes and the movements for the actualization of Biafra nation. So, as you are listening to me, let it give you joy that your dreams and efforts have finally been achieved by the people who understands what freedom and self-defense is all about. And this was why in my previous bulletin, I made you to understand that the fight we are fighting, God is fighting for us, and the people that God has provided to support us are more wise, stronger, better, richer in everything, more than Nigeria, who is against us. So, for your information, don't think that your daily activities for Biafra to come is in vain. No, Biafra is here now because it has been fully agreed upon and accepted by people who understands freedom and the rule of law internationally. So, the able Prime Minister of Biafra Republic in exile have finally bring his word to reality, as he made a promise few months ago that he was going to be the one to end Nigeria, that he is the last bus stop for Nigeria to stop existing. And here it comes today. His spoken word have come to pass. Some of you are very skeptic about the issue of Biafra, but it does not take 100 million people to agree and to fight for Biafra to come. It takes one man to stand and keep the ball rolling, moving forward. And today, finally the ball has entered the net as the Prime Minister of Biafra, Republic in Exile, have scored a goal to Nigeria. And that is what we call 1,000-0. So which means Nigeria have scored, Biafrans have scored Nigerians 1,000 times, and the Nigerians could not score even one goal. That is 1,000-0. So imagine the segregated gap of the victory is negligible. And why it was so is because the world leaders and world powers understands the pains and the sufferings of Biafrans right from 1967 to 1970. And they have been closely watching the movements and determinations of Biafran people to become a sovereign nation. And today, lo and behold, because of the efforts of the Biafra government in exile, the Prime Minister of Biafra, and the Biafrans, those who believe in freedom in general, they have joined hands together to make it real this day. The dreams and aspirations of Biafrans have come to reality, whether anybody accepts it or not. So, some of you outside there may say, that is how they speak, and that is how they say. But all what we are saying, when you watch closely, you will see the full manifestation or the materialization of them all. Like when we say lockdown, stay home in solidarity with the fallen heroes and what have you. You see that Biafran people observe it, obey it. They are not like other people who are agitating for their own nation without natural stamina, without wisdom, and without capability. Because when you look into their eyes and what they are doing, it does not portray that they can be able to lead themselves or produce a nation out of their jurisdiction. It's only Biafra is competent and illiterate, very learned, wise enough to go into the battle of freedom. And today, result is on ground, without doubt and without further delay. Therefore, as you are listening to me, hopeful Biafrans and faithful Biafrans, your future have just begun as Biafra nation is confirmed. All right, from now henceforth, you will begin to notice and see different manifestations and materializations of good things in Biafra land and wherever you are. Your respect, your dignity, your fidelity, your magnanimity, and your prerogatives shall be respected. Your aim and heart desires shall be respected by international community, because Biafra is a nation that cannot be hidden, and Biafrans are good people with a good heart. Before I wrap up my message this moment, don't forget to always be on your guard. Be careful. Watch very well. Don't follow gossip. Don't follow criticism. Don't slander anybody. And don't insult anybody. Be yourself. Continue what you are doing. The God of Biafrans have avenged Biafrans, have revenged for Biafrans, have vindicated Biafrans. So in no distant time, you will begin to see some people who are coming into Biafra land to view it, to survey it, to watch it, and to like it. Before I conclude, don't forget to like this video and to share this video. Make it go viral. The Biafrans are winners. They are victorious. They have triumphed over their detractors and will never be subdued or subjugated or intimidated in the land of their nativity as a nation and people with integrity. So, fellow Biafrans, be courageous and move forward. Thank you.